Desmond Alade Brown, aka Ekuapim Polo. Yes, on the say the Polo of Ghana. Unim Ekuapim Polo and the pictures and the Eko Bano. Na adia waya there. Ofata Abasubodi pa. Yes, I say to me the woman of the year. Yes, I say what this award no man. Na or drive I just say a brandy be say or dark wine no nya brandy mpa be kan say o ya akola abamua be me hamaninka onya be 7 years ana 8 years de kwa or dark wine what say wada na Ekuapim Polo as a woman no and as a bad time no hu no ye ne ya na just say ogina ya o ma ya frɛ abrantie no ma no na just say Queen Aguero akola no so de edin na egura tare na chi Aguero o say Aguero wada chena sorry na mum je sika no na man da bontin ho biem na fakota do na we na media mementi ase akola no babi da ntu ka jene so man da bontin biem a onko da hen na mum de wo ya ne de wa ya de pa because the ministers no omu hu amoda omu twem mampani hu amoda so mu twem but Ekuapim Polo de wo hu ade ti say akola oda kwan ho na wa nyane no wa manisika dia wa ya de but Ghana for bi zo ka se Ekuapim Polo e bia wa no 20 Ghana pe na otum de ma akola no yenim se wo frɛ ne de ko obe man be 1000 bia hye no hwana se woni betina ka no akoye shop na mana wonim se Ghana for so de ya be kan so guys. Yes, enjoy the video and let me know your comments below. Yes, if you feel say Ekuapim Polo ya de a mo me mbo na bas me de wa ya de pa mo amoka se ni 2 na 20 Ghana no otum de chair no. Yes, yeah, well, baby, I can say your warm the phone sem no and now so guys, without wasting much of your time no, enjoy the video and comment, like and share.
People are passing by the chat. Boss, macho nyane ni mame why? Calling for me. Come. Take. Okay. Don't sleep there again, okay? Go and eat, okay? See, the child is lying by the roadside. Oh my God. See, he's not dead. People are passing by him. People are passing by the chat. Boss, mbacho nyane ni mame why? Calling for me. Come. Take. Okay. Don't sleep there again, okay? Go and eat, okay?